at a very nice 1962 Chevrolet Nova Chevy II 400. Walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. I love a bit of horsepower in the morning with my coffee. This is a fun cruise down here. Exceptionally nice, meticulously restored, set up in a street strip style format, small tire, finished in a bright silver body off or unibody style restoration. A lot of neat performance upgrades. It'll definitely get your heartbeat up or heart rate up. Here's the Chevy II 400. We'll have a full decode at Spud's Garage, and there's no way I'm going to cover all the specs on this car as I walk around and talk about it. Out back here, it has a Calvert Racing Caltrax split leaf with traction bar, rear suspension, has a quick performance posi or true track 355 ratio out back. You'll catch a little glimpse of the cage, customs cage in it. Finished in a silver metallic. These are vinyl stripes added. It has 26, 8.5, 15s out back, Pro Drag radials on Billet Specialties wheels. Full structure, underbody structure on this one. It has subframe connectors. Door gaps all the way throughout this car. Study them as I go around here are very, very cool. Very nice, professional quality restoration. Fun drive down here to the park. It has a bubble style hood or Sunoco style bubble. It is a composite hood. All the factory trims on the car. It has CPP, mini sub up front, four-wheel disc brakes all the way around, tubular control arms, manual steering. All the trim and bright work is just beautiful on it. We get to the fun part underneath the hood here. We'll talk about a little bit more, but I'll kind of give you a rough overview as I cruise around here, and make sure you go to Spud's Garage for plenty more. Has a supercharged, YN supercharged, skip white performance, stage 5.5, 434 cubic inch. It's a dart block with AFR heads. Has a Cone Racing turbo hydromatic 350, manual shift pattern standard. Has LED halo headlights in it with halogen beams. I've had the opportunity to spend some time with this car, drove it down here this morning. Definitely something you can drive on the street or drive to the show locally. We'll get some drive in for you, but definitely get your motor running. Again, small tire style. It is registered. Drive it on the street. You'll see door jamb to door jamb, how well it's done. These door bars, if you're going to operate it more on the street, can easily be removed. We'll get you over on the driver's side, but it has a full logbook with receipts, all the equipment. Has a quarter stick shifter, Hurst quarter stick. This is an original bucket seat car. It does have the data tag on the firewall. We'll decode that for you. We'll share the safety structure. It was built by Cage Customs. RCI, belts, driver and passenger. As I mentioned, these stripes are vinyl. If you'd like a different look, that would be easy to do. You'll see the Chevy II 400 Nova badge here. Early Nova. I think his birth date was in November when I looked at the data tag. We'll definitely get some drive in for you today. Taking you back to the shop to get it up on the lift for you like we usually do. Open the door here. Hopefully somebody won't put this in my pocket. OEM style reproduction trim. Like I mentioned, it is a factory bucket seat car. An idea here, the overall structure of the interior. We did a cold start this morning. I should have a portion of that in the video here. OEM steering column, blanked out, has sport comp gauges, tachometer center. And I mentioned the Hurst quarter stick. We're going to open up turn on the control panels here. You want to turn the ignition on, the fuel, the water pump. We'll just turn on one of the fans right now. The headlights, we did do a walk around with that this morning. Plenty of horsepower underneath the hood, heartbeat so to speak. It has a Skip White Performance custom crate engine, custom built for this car, this application. It's a 434 cubic inch. It is a stage 5.5 Skip White motor. It is a dart block. It has AFR aluminum cylinder heads. It does have a nitrous system on it, Edelbrock. It has Hooker competition, long tube headers that are ceramic coated, Wilwood master cylinder 4-wheel disc brakes, Power Master alternator down there. It has CSR, low flow electric water pump, dual cooling fans up front here, Hawaiian supercharger. You'll see the data tags on the firewall there of the original build. Fuel pressure regulator up front here. It has a B&M supercooler for the cone racing, turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, and of course the quick performance 9-inch out back with 355 ratio. Puts out about 750 horsepower with the supercharger. Conservatively speaking, a lot of fun to drive. We're actually going to fire it up here for you, give you a better look. radial follows all the way through. All the panels are finished off like the rest of the car. Trunk's been Zolatoned. We'll give you a peek here at the Cage Customs cage where it connects back here at the back half. It's been Zolatoned. Nitrous system right there. Has a fuel cell in the trunk. The battery is located here in a Moroso battery box. Battery turnoff. There's also a fuse up there, and a battery turnoff's underneath the bumper here. Peek at the battery. Beautiful fit and finish on the body here. Every panel's been gapped. These graphics are vinyl. Mickey Thompson Pro Drag radials, front and rear. We'll get to the back tire size when we get to the other side here. This here are Billet Specialties wheels. Up front is a 24 by 5 15s. Again, Mickey Thompson drag radials. You'll see the beautiful trim and bright work. Look down the body side here. All new grille and bright work. Halo halogen beams up front. Again, give you a feel how everything's been gapped. Out back are a 26 by 8.5 15s, 4-wheel disc brakes. Beautiful original body on this one. Appears to be all original sheet metal. Out back here is a quick performance 9-inch. Has 35 spline axles. Yukon nodular center on it. 355 ratio. True track. Has 4-wheel disc brakes. Wilwood master cylinder. Viking Warrior. Fully adjustable rear shocks here. Has 3-inch exhaust that exits out the back behind the wheel. Pipes race mufflers. This is a Calvert Racing Caltrax split leaf with traction bar setup. Hook up with that, that's for sure. There's the unibody subframe connectors here. You get an idea of the floor pans, inner rockers. This is the Cone Racing Turbo Hydromatic 350 manual shift standard forward pattern. Has a B&M super cooler up in front of the radiator for the transmission. These are Hooker competition, ceramic coated long tube headers. The load and oil pan, disc brakes, Power Master alternator. We'll do one more pass as we go back through. It gives you a good idea of the mini sub here. That's a strengthening cross member. This is all CPP. Mini high torque starter. By now, we're thinking you get the idea. Badass heartbeat.